Hey, 5-1 first half. 5-1. Siwelele. Nashaya ngo-2-0 nina. Yes, nashaya ngo-2-0 nina. Sadlala ne-Sundowns, sadrosha ne-Sundowns, yes. Sadrosha ne-Sundowns. Now today Sundowns in Shango 5-1. 5-1. Say first half. Yabona ibhola buye lingididela. Ibhola mina lingididela. But that is why ngibuye ngilithande. But sometimes liyangidida. 5-1 all of a Sunday. Oh, hi.
It's that time of the season where people who are playing against the team have to be pointed out. Why are we holding back? We have nothing to lose at this point. We can lose everything. Modiba, you are playing against the team. Ndamane, I poison.
Yo, Ndamane.
I don't think you'll last long at Mamelodi Sundowns, man. I don't think you'll last long. We don't do that. That's those type of mistakes. Consecutive games. I understand 1 game, 2 games. Consecutive games. 3 consecutive games, 4 consecutive games, same mistakes. Costing the team the league title. Wanting to change the history. Poison. Williams, I don't even want to talk about you, bro. You are playing against the team. You are the biggest opponent to Mamelodi Sundowns as it stands. You have been the biggest in the last 10 games. You are playing against the team. Ikram Reynas. Man. You're playing as if you are retiring, man. It's like you are retiring. It's like you are playing your last games. You are playing like Themba Zwane. As soon as they take out Leon in each and every game, the hope just dies. They up front, you're non-existent. You are playing against us. Why do you even need Orlando Pirates to lose when you have those players? Why do you need an opponent when you have those players?
What a game. You. What a game. So, Iswelele sikubonile ekwabona uSaul. Rightfully so. Ibingekho yenze njani. Iswelele bekufanele sibulawe ngenduku kugijinyiswa ileague manje. But 7 goals scored for Sundowns, but Iswelele managed to score 4 of their own. One of the best games I've watched this season. I-attack Mamelodi Sundowns ibinamandla kakhulu, but they were let down by the defensive side of the game. And it is a result of how they chose to set themselves up for this game. So Sundowns ibidlala nge-back 3. Angiyithandi lento back 3. If you follow my content, you'll know. Angiyifuni kabi indaba ye-back 3. Kule back 3 yabo they pushed Aubrey Modiba to hug the line and Tashreeq Matthews to invert inside. Double speed on the inside, speed on the outside. Male wa right, Umtao was reserved, and the person who was providing the width was Rudi Tlhako, right? So they were stretching a defense. And they did very well. I'm a fullback, they were so stretched in such a way that there were a lot of spaces in between. There were a lot of spaces in the middle of the park. That's why they would use the width, but always bring the ball back inside. And when they bring the ball back inside, they find Usantos umalume kakhulu. Santos Usantos angeke bafana umalume lo. And they would find Usantos, and every time they found Usantos would keep in dot. Santos will keep in dot. And that's how they were able to get an advantage in the attacking side of things. Use the width, invert inside, find Santos delivers the goods. But then you lack a bit more in defense, because if Iswelele is try counter attack, because the other guys have been pushed up to add numbers in terms of to get the goals, you are prone to counter attack. You are a bit more vulnerable because and if you check most of the goals as well, I'm getting up side Landaman, not because Undamane, well, he didn't have a good game, but it was not entirely because of him, just because they were exploiting the spaces that were left by Aubrey Modiba, because Aubrey Modiba bekashayimo to Aipambi. It was the instruction, right? So they were exploiting those spaces, and they did very well. Umfolozi was very crucial for Israel in terms of exploiting those spaces. Technically, Sundowns winning on 3-0, but it's still a good score. They cut down the goal difference between them and Orlando Pirates to just 4 goals. We don't know what's going to happen, but I can promise you one thing. We will be there.
Kaizer Chiefs, you see what kind of football game we could have had. If you guys were just attacked, but we're also going to catch us hiding. Hey, what a game of football tonight. The mentality monsters rocked up today. And I think Cardoso, second half, he kind of messed it up by taking off Santos. Sure, Santos was cooking. Santos is dangerous. This team dangerous. 7-4, 11 goals. You see, this is what we want to see in the British Premiership. Teams go, they had each other by the washings. Our mentality monsters are not going without a fight. Mabakanya, it means you guys need to lock in. If you want this league, you need a serious lock-in, because you can see what's going on. Mentality monsters, they want this. I can imagine halftime team talk from Cardoso, yo, throwing bottles, kicking everything. A 5-1 is not enough. And as you can see, it's not enough, because now the goal difference is 4th in goal difference. Hey, Mabakania could hit Magezi for 7. Hey, Pirates is also dangerous. But yeah, guys, beautiful game of football. This is what we want to see. Kaizer Chiefs, this is what could have had. Mara, we would have tracked where Sanders would have put 8 past us. If we went out attacking, we're going to catch 9. We're going to catch 9. Because I saw Peterson the saves he had to make. Imagine we had to play the game on the front foot. We're going to track. But what a game of football. Now we're waiting for Orlando Pirates. Do you see I'm outside tonight? Makezi, bye-bye.
Hello, sisi. Ngicela ukuza office Mamelodi Sundowns ezo. Oh, okay, good. Yes, uthetha noTumelo Trom, ispeak person sabalandeli beOrlando Pirates, nepresident abalandeli bebhola iAfrika yonke jikelele, every Africa. Yo. Kutheni ndihleka kodwa nikore goal ezininzi? No, sisi, listen kaloku. Ndimamele sisi ndikucacisele. Yes, nizamile, you tried your best, but your best was not enough. Bofanba nina nikore 10 goals phaya ize nicoverishe le mess yenziwe iPirates ku goal difference. Your best was not enough. Ndimamele kaloku sisi. Le nto yenziwe iPirates inje, ilolu hlobo ngikwazi ubukhulele iphi nobukhulele ezilalini nobukhulele. Ezilalini xa kuzawuxhelwa ihagu ayondliwa namhlanje ixhelwe ngomso. So you can't. Imess eyenziwe iPirates ku goal difference, you can't cover it ngematch eyi-1. Awukwazi sisi. Uzaba nengxaki. You understand le nto yehagu nentoni? Esikolweni sisi kukho laa nto kuthiwa yi-year mark, usebenzele iimark zakho ozisebenzela ukusukela ngoJanuwari, usebenze. Awukwazi ke ngokuba uthi ngenxa yoba ufunde kakhulu ngetest eyi-1 ucimba uzawupasa yonke laa nto le yayibipaswa ngulaa mntana lonke elaa xesha. Sisephezulu nge-goal difference sisi, anikwazi usitasha. Bofanele uba nina nikore 10 goals, kuloo 10 goals yenu nithandaze uba thina singakori kwezi matches ziyi-3 sinazo, njengoba siqala kule emagesi ngoku sizokora kwakule emagesi. So nisengxakini sting, nina nisalele igame eyi-1 qha ngoku bekuphelile ngani, thina ziyi-3 sodlala le sihlale nenye. Ngicimba sizukora ke ngoku kuzo zonke. Ucimba usekhona utrofile.
Mamelodi Sundowns, what is going on, man? Oh my goodness. 11 goals scored in this match, but technically it's a 3-0 win. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you, technically this is just a 3-0 win, man. Like, I know you guys needed goals to basically still be in this PSL title race. Pirates obviously with the advantage. So scoring 7 goals is decent, but you can't be conceding 4. Like, you genuinely can't be conceding 4. The fact that there was a hat-trick on both teams here, Brian Leon, Lunga as well. And the crazy thing is, if Sundowns doesn't concede that 4 goals, they are level on goal difference with Orlando Pirates on 41 goals. Obviously, Pirates still has 2 games in hand, but I mean, it would have been helpful. Anyway, I missed this game entirely. I might have to rewatch it, and I mean, like, full on, watch the full 90 minutes. But if you watch this game, maybe let me know what happened, because 11 goals. 11 goals are insane, man. And now let's see how Orlando Pirates responds against Magesi, man. This could get interesting. Let me know your prediction in the comments down below.
All right. What a game. What a game of football. It is Mamelodi Sundowns 7. Swelele 4. Umdlalo phethwe Premiership ubukhona namhlanje. Lo mdlalo uhambe kanje. Cha, asimbonga ucoach Cardoso. Ucoach Cardoso ubonile ukuthi ngeke le game le izoba namagoli amaningi, angivele ngikhiphe oLeon noMgwena. Angazi bekwenze njani, wavela bakhipha ibulalo oyiqeda igame. iSundowns bisangakora 3 more ngokuthi avele enzela amasapu mhlawumbe uzamulekelela uReynolds ukuthi awine i-top goal scorer of the season. We don't know, nobody knows. Kodwa ke lapha igame, that is when iSundowns started to drop. Yaqala manje yangabe kwanayo manje i-final pass lapha phambili. Kwangabe kusabalula manje ukuthi ba-convert ama chances. Maybe ukuba zange baphume laba abaphumile ubusazongena 3 goals. We all don't know. Lapha nabafethu kule ukuthi ama game athengiwe nani besimane siqhuba usuku. mina bengikhulumela ubusuku ngoba into engiyibonayo I was trying ukuthi nginizwise taste of your own medicine ukuthi lento ukuthi team maybe namagoli amaningi nithi nina athengiwe no ayikho lonto leyo ayikazi yakhona yabo yes igoli la kaMobi li questionable kakhulu li questionable nje lisimanga kodwa ke akukho umuntu othenga omunye la bese khona my sister support Sundowns othe mina thina sanibongela ngisho iTS Galaxy ngo 6 mil nina nithi sithenga igame no nanikaze nibongele umuntu nini msaqamba manga anikaze nibongele umuntu nini okwakukhoza wayenza le nto leyana namhlanje kwenzekile bafowethu I'm so happy as a football fan umdlalo bomnandi kakhulu I enjoyed ubumuhle nje kakhulu bafowethu ngeza ngaqamba namanga uthe 11 goals is no child's play lapha into emele ngabe sihlezi sibona mihla namalanga le iSundowns bafowethu ikhethe ukusebenza late than early yenze lento uAndile Jali angayifuni angazi noma ukuthi ke uhappy la ikhona we don't know sibonge uKhadoso ngokwenza amasapho akhe and then we have all goalkeeper bebafana bo2 Ricardo Ronza. First 3 shots on target ku Ronza. First 3 shots on target angene phakathi. Ugosi ke nje yena ngazi bengakhishwa ngani. Bekumela ngabuyi. Ugosi bekumela ngabuyi. Ilona hlobo lo goalkeeper siyovinjela lona World Cup ngeke ngasho uPeterson akaqala onke ama game ngiyadlala we inhlamba Jesu ngiyadlala bafowethu umdlalo kumnandi kakhulu angazi ngisho chaza amagoli it is full time Mamelodi Sundowns 7 siwelele 4. Congratulations Masandawana. 3 point was very important today. Namagoli. Kwi-TS Galaxy iSundowns yoshaya 9. I-Orlando Pirates ayikora amagoli ngoba mama ukuthi ifuna ukwina league ngoba i-TS Galaxy iSundowns yoshaya 9 goals. They hungry.
Yeah, uqinisile mfethu bafo mekathi kumele Pirates ishaya amagoli because iTS Galaxy lately mfethu they're leaking goals. I don't know why they're so bad but sting amagoli and right now we're currently leading with 2-0 which is good but I need more of it like maybe 5. They're playing against Marquez and cheapest like buddy my we can score more but again into nje ngifuna ukisho ukuthi shout out to Wunderman shout out to you bra you know why because uFleming back wasuka mfethu wawutshela abantu ngombokazi ukuthi Pirates there's a play in South Africa ebizwa ngombokazi kona umbokazi kanje nembona basuka balanda uNdamani kanjani bra because when you just sold our left center back why man uthenga uNdamani because bebemeleze kithi but ke sisinimthathile bafethu shout out to you guys and mfethu uNdamani qhubeka nomsebenzi omuhle bra because if it wasn't for uFleming back I believe ukuthi umbokazi will still be around at least like those were rumors that were going around ukuthi uFleming back had a hand in umbokazi going to Chicago ne okay cool and I into ngifuna ukisho bafethu ukuthi le game bemnandi ne but it was stressful for Ifeani Pirates, especially the first half there. I couldn't believe what I was watching, bro. 5-1 is really, bro. Like you can't fault abantu who like game thanks you because Ugos is a mazi, bro. We saw Ugos against the Pirates la sadraw kon. We saw Ugos. Samazi uchawazo bima. It's really like we know so ukuthi they're a strong team. They can defend. But namhlanje face they were all over the place and asazi mhlambi it's because sometimes be attacker. But the first half something fell off. And shout out to Katos for our match in this video second half because I honestly feel like game it's like 10 goals and I was not happy. But shout out to Katos on Facebook and manje I'm watching Game Pirates by future. I'm funa ukukhuluma kakhulu so ngizombona Game Pirates. Thank you for watching. See you guys later.